In the oil and gas and chemical industry, integrated downstream operations run on tight margins. Reliable commercial data helps navigate turbulent markets. In the field, meanwhile, profitable, clean, and safe operations need equally reliable process data, such as temperature, to extract maximum value from every drop. Choosing the right multi-point instrumentation and partner helps you to keep your maintenance low and your units running at peak performance. From cryogenic LNG storage to hydrogen-rich high-temperature residue upgrading, reliable vessel temperature monitoring is crucial for trouble-free and efficient operations. Incomplete temperature profiles or sensor failures can have costly consequences. A new generation of high-performance instruments keeps performing where others fail. Our engineered solutions are designed to help you prevent unscheduled maintenance, shutdowns, or critical incidents, all while increasing productivity and reducing complexity. In an industry first, we have standardized and pre-engineered a complete range of innovative modular multi-point temperature assemblies to keep things simple for you. iTherm MultiSense instruments are available in different layouts to accommodate your specific process requirements and licensed technologies. Minimally invasive, ultra-slim multi-point probes, for instance, for tubular reactor designs. Highly robust, thermowell-protected vertical inline solutions. Heavy-duty, flexible 3D radial profiling with iTherm ProfilSense multi-thermocouple technology and advanced diagnostics for predictive maintenance. Suspended cable probes for tank gauging and bulk silo storage. All variants are available through our free guided online product configurator. It is incredibly easy and fast. From approvals to sensors to mounting accessories, nearly any configuration is available as standard. And when needed, our experts are always just a click away. We provide on-site field services and remote support. Our people adapt to your workflows. From single orders to large projects, our team of experts keeps track of every step, making sure nothing is overlooked and providing you with guidance and full transparency. Our engineering team pays particular attention to details such as layout analysis, support systems, and smart routings for your specific vessel design. Using advanced CAD modeling, we extract maximum performance while keeping the physical footprint to a minimum. Using state-of-the-art manufacturing tools, our products meet even strictest requirements. Our in-house QA team performs certified quality and functional tests that cover all industry standards, from hydrostatic or pneumatic pressure to helium leakage, X-ray, PMI, volumetric non-destructive tests, and welding inspections. Sensor calibration and full instrument documentation and certification are also included, of course. On-site or remote factory acceptance tests ensure that every assembly that leaves production satisfies the highest quality standard of all: you. The global Endress and Hauser network ensures regional proximity for fast response and delivery times. We understand the challenges of an energy industry in transition towards a decarbonized future. Your strategies adapt as product demand shifts, technology evolves, and feedstocks vary. To help you stay on course for your production runs and maximize profitability, our flexible temperature profiling solutions provide longer instrument life, more precise readings, shorter turnarounds, and higher plant safety. From site survey to instrument selection to sustainable manufacturing and testing to installation to maintenance, unparalleled service, technology, and quality at scale is what drives us. As your long-term partner for process improvement, we serve oil and gas, chemical, and energy organizations worldwide. What can the people for process automation do for you today? Visit us at entrus.com.